If you want to join tracks in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to merge multiple tracks into one single track, and I'll also explain the difference between joining tracks and creating a new mix track. This is super useful when you're editing podcasts, music, voiceovers, or any project with multiple audio layers. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and take a look at the tracks you want to combine. In Audacity, joining tracks usually means turning separate horizontal tracks into one unified track. This is helpful when you want everything to play together in the same output. To do that, you need to select the tracks you want to join. Hold down Control on your keyboard, then click each track header for the tracks you want included. The track header is the area on the left side of each track where you can see the track name and controls. Once your tracks are selected, go to the top menu and click Tracks. From the drop-down menu, hover over Mix. You'll now see a few options, and the one you want is Mix and Render. Click Mix and Render, and Audacity will combine the selected tracks into one track. What this does is merge the audio together while keeping the timing and balance of the sounds. So if you had multiple parts playing at different moments, Audacity will mix them into a single track based on their existing positions. This is the standard method for joining tracks when you want one finished result. Now, there's another option you should know about called Mix and Render to New Track. This is useful if you want to keep your original tracks untouched. Instead of replacing the selected tracks, Audacity will create a new joined version at the bottom of your project. That way, you can keep editing the original tracks while also having a combined copy ready to use. So if you're worried about losing your separate tracks, this is the safer option. There's also one special case to watch for. If you have a left mono track and a right mono track, you may want to join them as a stereo track instead of just mixing them together. In that case, click the drop-down menu on the top track's name and look for Join Stereo Track. This is the best choice when you want the left and right channels to stay separate as a proper stereo pair. So to recap, if you want to merge tracks directly into one, use Tracks, then Mix and Render. If you want to preserve your originals, choose Mix and Render to New Track. And if you're working with separate left and right mono tracks, use Join Stereo Track from the track drop-down menu. Once you know which option fits your project, joining tracks in Audacity becomes really simple. It can save you a lot of time and help keep your audio workflow clean and organized. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.